Okay, we move on to energy transfer. So kita akan belajar lebih lah, okay, macam mana energy is transfer from first trophic level until the last trophic level. And usually trophic level will not exceed 4 or 5 trophic level. Okay, we will discuss more later on. Okay, untuk energy transfer, usually kita memang akan start dengan producer lah, sebab producer adalah photosynthetic organism. It can produce its own food. Compared to primary consumer and any other consumer, usually we take or we got energy from plants or other organism. We cannot synthesize our own food. Okay, so start with producer. So, producer will trap 1 to 5% of light energy. Usually in theory, in your syllabus, we just take 1% unless the question put the percentage is 1.5 and so on. So, follow the question. But if it's not stated in the question, you just take 1%, okay? And then the second point, primary consumer which is herbivore will consume their producer. So katakanlah ni paddy plant, dia duduk pada first trophic level, and then paddy will be eaten by the primary consumer. Okay, so primary consumer dia duduk pada second trophic level. So in here primary consumer is rat or mice. Okay. And then only 10% of energy is transformed to the next trophic level. So in theory, actually from one trophic level to another trophic level, percentage of energy gain is 10%. Okay? In theory. But in real life, actually, we doesn't fully get 10%, maybe less than 10% or maybe more. Okay, and then if the energy transfer from one trophic level to another trophic level is only 10%, what about the 90% of energy? Okay, kemana dia menghilang lah. Okay, so usually 90% of the energy is lost as a heat to the environment. So the red arrow refer pada energy loss. Okay, but the orange arrow refer pada energy flow or energy transfer. Okay, just abaikan decomposer ni, sebab decomposer ni kita tak kira dalam trophic level lah. Okay, moving on. So only 10% of energy is transferred to the next trophic level, while 90% of the energy is lost to the environment as a heat. Okay, and then secondary consumer will feed on the primary consumer. Energy is transformed from second to third trophic level. And macam biasa juga, only 10% of the energy is transferred from this trophic level to the next trophic level, while 90% of the energy is lost to the environment. And then dia so on lah, daripada first trophic to second trophic level to third trophic level, and then third trophic level to fourth trophic level. So semuanya dapat 10%. Okay, so 90% akan loss as a heat to the surrounding ataupun to the environment. Once again, yang ni kita abaikan lah. Okay, so the 90% energy loss as a heat through respiration, excretion, transpiration and reproduction. Okay, so kalau ada soalan yang tanya mana pergi 90% of energy tu, kenapa the next trophic level dapat 10% saja, you may use this example for your answer. Okay, but for plant, but for transpiration is only for plant. Okay, please have a look first at the question. Is it refer to animals or plants? Okay, so arrow in the food chain or food web show direction of energy flow ataupun eaten by. Okay, so yang warna orange ni lah yang saya sebut tadi. If the question asks what is meant by the arrow, so you can put the eaten by or direction of energy flow. Okay, and then the type of energy that is channeled through the food chain is called chemical energy.